In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Sendwave to Gcash 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll be confident sending money straight from your Sendwave app to a Gcash wallet quickly and safely. First, open the Sendwave app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and that the app is updated to the latest version so fees, exchange rates, and features display correctly. You should see the main screen with a simple calculator and a list of supported countries. Next, set the destination country to the Philippines. This tells Sendwave where the money is going and unlocks the payout options available there. If you don't see the country right away, use the search bar. Once selected, the app will switch to show Philippine peso amounts on the receive side. Now enter the amount you want to send. As you type, look at the live exchange rate, estimated fees, and the total the recipient will get in PHP. This is a good time to check your funding method, whether you're using a linked card or bank, and make sure you have enough balance or limit to cover the transfer and fees. If you see a delivery estimate, take note of it so you and your recipient know what to expect. Choose Gcash as the payout method. You'll typically see options like bank deposit or mobile wallet. Select Gcash so the funds go directly to the recipient's wallet. Keep in mind that Gcash accounts have wallet limits depending on the account level, so if you're sending a larger amount, ensure the recipient's wallet can receive it in full. Enter the recipient's Gcash details carefully. Use the name exactly as it appears on their Gcash profile and the correct mobile number with the proper country code. Take a moment to double check spelling and digits. Small typos are the most common cause of delays. If the app allows, save the recipient for faster sending next time. Finally, review and send. The confirmation screen will summarize the amount, fees, exchange rate, payout method, and recipient information. Read through everything slowly before you tap send. You may be asked to confirm your payment method or complete a quick security check from your bank. After sending, you'll see a receipt or reference number. Keep it for your records. The recipient should receive the funds in Gcash, often within minutes. If there's any delay, verify the details again and check the transfer status in the app. That's all there is to it. Open the app, set the destination, enter the amount, choose Gcash, add the recipient's details, and confirm. Double checking information and staying within wallet limits will make your transfer smooth every time.